Ooh, you fine.
You fine too.
Puppy.
I'm trying to have a baby with you. That's all I'm saying.
Really?
Don't lick your lip, baby.
I think our children gonna come out looking real good then.
I know your ass fat. You sound like the Caribbean.
Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Lala Living here, and today I'm back again with another video, okay? And this is another monkey app video. So for you guys who aren't too familiar with the monkey app, it's just this random app that pairs you with random people throughout the United States and you video call them. And today I'm going to be doing something very sweet and nice and not mean at all. I did a video roasting people, but today I'm gonna actually compliment people. I'm gonna hype people. I'm gonna just make them feel like $1 million. So $1 million. So you guys already know what to do. Go ahead and like this video, comment down more suggestions, comment down your favorite part of this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I do post. And let's get straight into this. My goal is to make someone's day today, you know. I want to make them feel good. I hope they look good though. Damn. Am I gonna see your face? That one was pointless. Nobody wants a compliment? Nobody is accepting. When I was roasting, they wanted to get roast, but they don't want to get a compliment. You look good. Damn, the sun shine good on you today. Yeah, yeah, no problem.
What's up?
Nothing. You're handsome.
Thank you.
Yeah, when God. I'm from the Bahamas.
That's dope.
Yeah.
I'm gonna follow you. I'm listening to you.
Okay. Hey.
You look good.
You look good. You stole the words right out of my mind. Yeah, you do though.
Appreciate it.
Oh my God. This is Casey. Accept. Ricky. Ricky, let me see your face.
You too fine to be on monkey. What is you doing?
Let me see your face.
Add time, I'll show you my face. Yeah,
Time. I got time.
Yeah, you gotta show on the red one.
Damn. No, I don't want to see the red one. Let me see your face. All y'all look good.
No, I'm not to be on.
Y'all look smoked out and good.
Where you from?
I'm from the Bahamas.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Trying to get flued out?
Trying to get flued out where? Let me see your face.
Yeah, you from Miami?
Oh, I be there all the time.
Yeah, let's link up. How old you is, matter of fact?
I'm old, you know.
What's old?
But y'all cute. That's all I wanted to say. Y'all real cute. Y'all fine. All three of y'all. All three of y'all. All three of y'all.
You wanna come home? What it do, shorty?
Damn, you handsome. You a real chocolate bar.
Thank you. Hey, follow me back.
Follow you back? All right. No. Let me see your face. Your full face. I'm gonna add time. Add time. You not gonna talk?
What's up?
Damn, your voice deep. You look good. Let me see your face. You got me blushing and all. You blushing too. Let me see your face. That's what I'm talking about. Show your whole face. You don't like to show your face?
No.
But you handsome.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. I guess I'll go since you don't want to show your whole face. Weird. I'm trying to compliment you and tell you you the shit and you don't want to show your face? Hey, ooh.
You beautiful.
You handsome.
Hey, ooh, you got an accent too?
Yeah, I do.
Where you from?
I'm from the Bahamas.
Oh, you look like you from the Bahamas.
Really? How people from the Bahamas look?
Yeah, you ever been to Texas?
No.
No.
No. But you're real handsome. Damn, you look good. What you put on your skin? You look real good.
I don't put that. What you got on yours? You glowing.
I got Bahamas on my skin.
How old you?
Let me see your face. Ooh, you handsome. I love the eyebrows. They're very thick. Yeah, let me see your front face too.
I'm rough, and you got no tattoo.
Yeah, y'all rough, but y'all look good. You know, from the Bahamas. Ooh, another one. Hey, sexy.
Follow. How old you is, though?
I'm 21. How old are y'all?
I'm a dub. We all 20. You know
20? Oh, 3 y'all 20?
We not blood, but we like brothers, but we all 20. Well, he turned 20, 19, turned 20.
This is a room full of, y'all got a room full of fine niggas though.
Hey, follow, you got some friends?
It's a room full of fine niggas. I can follow back. I just follow back.
Alright, follow. That talk this time. We ain't got time on the hands. I'll be chilling.
We got time.
I want to see. Oh, look. You in the Bahamas right now?
No, I'm not there right now.
Where you at right now?
I'm over here right now.
Oh, we trying to get over there right now.
Yeah? I just wanted y'all to know that y'all was really attractive, okay?
You are honestly, enjoy the rest of your day.
Y'all do the same thing. Y'all do the same thing. Be blessed and stay handsome, okay?
I needed positivity. Thank you.
He said he needed positivity. Thank you. You see, sometimes you really do make people's day. We're going to do a few more. I actually like complimenting people. City girls.
Shouter, how you doing? Ooh, Akon, you're pretty as hell.
You are so cute. Oh, and you handsome. I see. Y'all related? Y'all related?
Huh?
Y'all related? Damn, I see where you got your looks from. Y'all look good.
Thank you. You look good. Fuck. Hold on. Wait. Stop playing. I was talking all this shit to these other motherfuckers on here, but hold on. I gotta talk real sweet to you, babe. What's up with you?
Add more time, please.
I add time. Oh, more? Okay.
Add me as a friend, Polo.
Where y'all at? Where you
Okay,
at?
I'm gonna follow you. But y'all look real good. Like, you handsome.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Anybody told y'all that in a long time?
I'm trying to have a baby with you. That's all I'm saying.
Really?
Don't lick your lip, baby.
I think our children gonna come out looking real good then. Why you bouncing?
Everything real
Why you bouncing?
I love you. You say where I'm from?
No, I said, why you bouncing? Like, you bouncing.
You fine as I know your ass fat. You sound like the Caribbean. You must
Yes.
be from out of state, out of country type.
Yeah, I'm from the Bahamas.
Where you from?
Are you in Vegas?
No.
I know it. She was from Bahamas.
I never been in Vegas before.
I need you on Instagram. You actually, y'all do SoundCloud out there?
Yeah.
If you really love me, you would send me and my brother plane tickets to come see you.
That's what I'll do if I love you guys.
Is that right?
I think it's better if y'all send me a ticket to
You
Vegas.
got 1K subscribers.
Well, you should please let us come out
Oh
there.
my God, this is you with your fine self. Go subscribe back to my channel, and I love you.
I will. See you guys later though. Yes, yes. Okay, bye y'all. I will subscribe back.
Alright, look. Alright, thank you, Mom.
Okay. I'm making friends. My camera battery is telling me it's gonna die. We're gonna get one more in. One more. Let's see. Ooh, you fine.
You fine too.
Puppy.
And that.
Where you from?
I'm from Cali. Where you from?
I'm from the Bahamas. Yeah. But damn, all y'all look this good out in Cali.
Shit. Maybe it's
You look the best though. You're the best I've seen from Cali on this app.
literally.
Yeah, you fine as. My battery just died, but I got another one, so we can do one more. One more. Let's see who's the lucky person. Let me see your face.
I'm too ugly.
Your eyebrows look good. Your hair looks good. Let me see your face.
I'm ugly.
Okay then, bye. You come on the monkey app to say you ugly, and I just was about to tell you you look so good. I don't tell you your hair look good. Your eyebrows look good. Like, you was about to get it all. That is it for today's video, you guys. I'm finished hyping people up, telling people they look good, you know, they fine and all of that. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, you already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, so that I know that you enjoyed videos like this and I can continue to do these type of videos. I'll see you guys later.